Because, for instance, if me know my sister did one man, and my sister tell me, say, the man, he go give the man money for buy Mali. Me a knock out her blood, me a knock out the man. Zozo was, you see, people like only don't listen with understanding and you see, stupid don't people like I don't deal with it now. He was not going to buy it. We know that. But if you tell your family member that, something like that, me I gonna put you as a person. If your family member tell us something like that, would you want the man to go on your family member? Answer me. Because you don't understand, Sometimes you just listen and not put 2 and 2 and sense to sense. Me ask you a question. If your family member tell you that, would you make a man go on your family member? The man now go buy it, but it's what she tell them. She should tell him that. She should tell the family member that. And say everything, anytime, Brittany want things, they never say Zozo. And Zozo going to bring me to the doctor. And Zozo going to say, no, oh, she turn already, oh, she talk already. Zozo going to buy this for me. He going to get this for me. You don't know how she stay already. So that make them ban him. That make them take a restraining order because, let me ask you something. Him do something for restraining order take out upon him, just like that. But she I take this at that time mash up her head, At the Mali where she have blood clot take a mash up her head, Because the people them know that she a take the fucking Mali. Lady come off from a page. Baby face leave. They know that she's taking it. That is why they believe. You never hear Brittany come for life, come talk, so she a take it. Answer me question. You never hear she come for life, so she take it many times. Yes or no? You never hear she come on TikTok, come talk, so she take it. So the people are gonna believe. Jesus Christ, the blood clot. Me see some dunce people born in Jamaica. So only if you come out to Jamaica, only if you go to Jamal. 2025, dumb blood clot. You can't in a 2025 and no education and no understanding. Leave. No, my love. I mean, like some I talk to people like you, my love. Can't bother with you now. The young girl is better than the big man. The young girl might get two. Big man might get 2 dunce now. I'm retarded. Can't work with them, my love. Let me ring light here, so. If me know say my blood class sister take something, and my sister tell me say, one man go buy a film, me I go lick out the blood clot man and go and bad pan the man. Me I go lick out the man and go and bad pan the man. How when she tell me, and then me know so she a take it. Big girl not talk out so she a take it. She talk pan the life so she take it. Go listen to the record, go scream record, she talk so she a take it. And I eat a mash her up. I eat make sure I go so crazy. And that make sure I go so crazy because they listen there anytime they listen there. Once they take they listen there, you're not head. You're not no head. Me see what they somebody take it, me love. What's your name? What the girl name? Danger. She just a cry. Whoo. You man just a ball like roller ground. Mad out. Mad. Me say, oh my God. She cry. The M-O word. No one about to say M-O-L-L. Forget the other spelling. Me I tell us I eat a mash up her. Just because of that.
Like that, I missed it, you know.
Yeah, it's not a and you can't ask them to because it's not car crash. What you type of word for?
Destiny,
Yeah.
I know say good as me I say. What you say, me understand what you say, but what I'm saying, they can do a test. We see if she really wanna take it, you know, and you see through Brittany mental health.
Jamaica, me and you know how Jamaica stay. And I like foreign this where them they say if you take it or so.
Yeah.
One time, one woman leave there some love and the woman take how much something me love. And me call police and tell the woman I'm mad out in here. And you know what they tell me say? They tell me say they don't see her with me love. So they can't lock her up. So maybe them not even gonna do that.
Yeah. But what me saying at this thing, Brittany was on the road such a long period. Her head a go and them did it, but the guy still help him, so me not think they should have block him.
No, because look at the guy still help him and everything. But the fact is what she tell the family member. If your sister tell you something, like if your sister tell you, I like them I tell Pa Brittany, there's always two sides of a story, yeah? You can't listen to one side of the story and listen to two sides. Brittany walk and beat up man already and come out and come tell like say a man beat her up and when they look at she fight for slip man. So I know everything not for believe, I know everything not for say. If your sister tell you say somebody buy that for you, you're not gonna want it, you're not gonna want this stupid person come back and come visit.
Yeah, that's true. But two of them deal with her, me I one day for real thing then Brittany tell them that for true. Cause when she recover, she come out, come talk back everything, you know. Yeah, she Brittany the